like everyone else that has a 3D printer, they can only print one print at a time.
I can only print one small model at a time.
As an experienced user of 3D printers, I've encountered a lot of shortcomings of traditional 3D printers during use.
You can only print models 30 centimeters long at a time.
Because of our love of 3D printing, we hope to use our own strength to help users of various groups create an unprecedented and more advanced product. Introducing Creality3D This newly designed Core XY mechanical structure, combined with the 45-degree tilted print nozzle and the carbon fiber conveyor belt with unlimited Z-axis, makes it possible for many print jobs that traditional 3D printers can't achieve. Through the slow-moving high-strength conveyor belt, 3DPrintMill can achieve a continuous printing of batch models without manual management, improving your time and cost-effectiveness. The infinite Z-axis design makes long strip printing that was unimaginable in the past possible and opens up countless possibilities for future model design. The mass production you can achieve with 3DPrintMill can further global public welfare undertakings. For example, production of low-cost microscopes with 3D printing technology can bring more possibilities for the popularization of medical and educational appliances in the third world. This is the Creality3D an epic-making 3D printer born to transcend pain points using new technology to create a perfect 3D printing experience.
Really long print.
It's an awesome project.
More bigger prints than this to see what it's capable of.
Better than any other manufacturer on the market.
Best quality machine.
It's a community project in many ways.